just looking up this way. It is so wonderful to see. I love being a part of our Stocky Road community when I look on a special day like today when everybody in our school has donated and worn their hoodies for such a special cause. Each time the Junior School Council come up with their fundraisers and special events, it's just fantastic to see so many of our school community participate in the event. I'm going to hand over our 4 junior school counsellors that are going to talk to you today about Hoodie Up Day, are a little bit nervous about standing up here. And I said to them, I'm a little bit nervous as well. So if you can show me your best listening, they're going to explain to you why we are wearing our hoodies today. I'm going to hand you over first of all to Navia.
Autism is a neurodevelopmental disability with symptoms that appear early in life. Autism is not a disease. People are born autistic and remain so all their life.
And now Chloe's going to continue.
Did you know that only 1% of people that live in Australia are autistic? 3 times as many males are diagnosed as opposed to females.
And Ruby?
Every autistic person is different, but some features that an autistic person might show are different ways of communicating with other people, like the ability to make friends, not knowing what to do in some situations, repetitive routines such as resistance to change, and being over or undersensitive to sounds.
Thanks, Ruby. And now we have Navia, who's written a special speech that she would like to share. Tali. Wrong fricker, sorry, Tali, who would like to share her speech with you.
Hi, my name is Tali Fricker and I am in grade 6.
Oliver Strand and Chelsea Strand, could you come to the office please? Oliver Strand and Chelsea Strand, can you come to the office? Thank you.
I am here to tell you about autism because I have autism. Some things that I have struggled with is writing, speaking, reading and concentrating and even making friends, but for others it's different. A few things that I'm good at is art, craft, drawing, horse riding and more. I love being around animals because it's easier to be friends with them because they accept who you are and I understand them. I always had problems with making friends because I am different to a lot of people. Some people have bullied me and teased me and that is not okay. And that is why I'm here today, to make an awareness and remember never to give up. Thank you to all my friends for supporting me and everyone who has helped me. Thank you for listening to my speech.
Thank you, Tali. But you're right. That was very brave of you to write that speech and share that with our school community today. Now I'm just going to hand over to Amber to say our last words.
So you are probably wondering why we are all wearing hoods today. While some autistic people wear hoods up so they can block out bright lights and sounds. By wearing our hoods up today, we as Stocky Road accept and understand autistic people. Thank you.
And we have just another quick announcement from our junior school counsellors who organise Friendship Place.